Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana for task management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. If you don't have one, create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start organizing your tasks. Choose a template that suits your project, or select Blank Project for a custom setup. Name your project clearly to reflect its purpose. Select the layout style you prefer, either list or board. Click Create Project to proceed. Now, add task sections to structure your project effectively. Click the Add Section option to create categories. Label each section based on the workflow or stages of your project. Begin adding tasks by clicking the Add Task button within each section. Enter a descriptive title for each task to clarify its goals. Assign each task to a team member by clicking on the assignee icon. Set due dates for tasks to maintain your project timeline. Use the priority feature to highlight critical tasks. Add any relevant details or attachments within the task description area. If needed, create subtasks by clicking Add Subtask to break down complex tasks. To ensure effective communication, use the comments section for updates or questions. After creating tasks, estimate the time needed for each task if relevant. Use tags to categorize tasks for easy filtering later. Now, explore the My Tasks section to see all tasks assigned to you. Encourage team members to regularly update their task progress. Utilize the dashboard feature to visualize project milestones and statuses. Monitor deadlines closely to keep the project on track. Regularly review and adjust task assignments as needed. Finish by periodically checking in with your team to ensure everyone is aligned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.